Hello everyone, let's continue our discussion. Till now, I have uploaded 7 videos, and in my previous video, we were discussing till Mauryan Empire. So, in this video, we will understand about post-Mauryan period. Before watching this video, kindly watch my previous videos so that you will understand this chapter. Okay, let's start our discussion. Post-Mauryan period means during that period, three dynasties were ruled, that is Sunga Dynasty, Kanva Dynasty, and Satavahanas. Okay, so let's understand about Sunga Dynasty first. As I discussed in my previous video, the last ruler of Mauryan Empire was Gruhadratha. He was killed by his chief commander Pushyamitra Sunga. Then he started new dynasty that was called Sunga Dynasty. Okay, from there Sunga Dynasty started. So let's quickly know about the founder of Sunga Dynasty, that is Pushyamitra Sunga. He was the follower of Brahmanism. Okay, during this period, the Buddhism monuments at Barhat and Sanchi, both are in Madhya Pradesh only. Okay, were renovated. Okay, kindly remember. He was succeeded by his son Agnimitra. Okay, then the last ruler of Sunga dynasty was Devabhuti. Okay, Devabhuti was killed by his minister Vasudeva Kanva. Vasudeva Kanva afterwards he started new dynasty that was called Kanva dynasty. Okay, then let's quickly know about the importance of Sunga dynasty during post-Mauryan period. During that time, after the decline of Mauryan Empire, uh, there were exist many foreign invasions that usually, specifically Greeks were coming to India for invading. Okay, so at that time, these Sungas were played major role for protecting the Gangetic Valley. Okay, then second one is the Sungas were also faced many challenges. Among them, the main challenge they faced was to protect northwest India from Bactrians. Okay, Bactrians, that is one of the kingdom in it belongs to Greek, that we will discuss later. Okay, uh, and then they promoted growth of Vaishnavism and Sanskrit language. Okay, please remember. Then after Kanvas, Satavahanas, they are also called Andhras started. Okay, so let's know about Satavahanas. They ruled in Deccan region for 450 years. After the decline of Mauryans itself, they started to rule. Okay, let's know about sources of Satavahanas. They found many sources regarding Satavahanas. Among them, Puranas, coins, and inscriptions are important. Okay, then Nashik and Nanagat inscriptions in Maharashtra also describes about Satavahanas. Okay, they also used coins. Okay, during that period. This gives us clear explanation about economic situation during Satavahanas period. Okay, then let's quickly know about some of the rulers during Satavahanas. Simuka, he was the founder of Satavahana kingdom. Okay, then the 17th king was called Allah. Okay, his name was Allah. He written famous religious book named Gata Saptasati. It is also known as Satasai. Very very important. Please remember. It is in Prakrit language. Okay. Then the great ruler of Satavahanas was Gautami Putra Satakarni. Please remember. Very very important. Let's quickly know about the great ruler, that is Gautama Putra Satakarni. He ruled for around 24 years. Okay, his achievements were recorded in Nashik inscriptions. Okay, he annexed the entire Deccan region. Later, he expanded his territory. Okay, he followed Brahmanism and also he gave donations to Buddhist monks. His successor was his son Vasishta Putra Pulamayi. Okay, let's quickly know about Vasishta Putra Pulamayi. He also issued a coins. Okay, issued coins. On the coins we found ship images. Okay, this indicates that during Satavahana period there exists naval power and maritime trade. Okay, then the last ruler of Satavahanas was Yajna Sri Satakarni. Okay, just remember it. Let's quickly know about economic activities during Satavahanas. They were interested in trade and industrial activities. Then they were also issued silver coins for trade purpose. That silver coins were called as Karshapanas. Very very important keyword, guys. Keyword. Please remember. Okay. Karshapanas means silver coins issued by Satavahanas. Okay. They were also conducting foreign trade through seaports. Okay. So during that period, three important ports exist. That is Kalyani port in West Deccan region, then Ganda Kasela and Ganjam fort in eastern coast. Very very important. Please remember. Then let's quickly know about cultural practices during Satavahanas. They followed both Buddhism and Buddhism and Brahmanism. They built many chaityas and viharas. As I discussed in Buddhism, chaityas means place of worship and viharas means dwelling place of monks. Okay. They also give donations and lands to Buddhist monks. Okay. The main architecture of this Satavahanas was Nagarjuna Konda in Andhra Pradesh. It is in Andhra Pradesh. Please remember, very very important. Then, as I discussed earlier, the 17th king of Satavahanas, that is Allah, his name was Allah. He was written famous religious book that is called Gata Sapta Sati. Okay, very very important. Gata Sapta Sati. It is also known as Satasai. Okay, it is in Prakrit language. Okay, let's quickly know about foreign invasions during Post-Mauryan period. During that Post-Mauryan period, three kingdoms were entered into India and they invaded India. That is Bactrians, Sakas, and Kusanas. Okay, let's quickly know about Bactrians first. Bactrians were from Central Asian. Okay, earlier they were part of the Persian. Persian means present day Iran. Okay, later after Alexander attack on Persian, in this Alexander captured this Bactrian from Persian. Then it becomes part of Greek. Okay, then Alexander's successors made it as Indo-Greek kingdom. This Bactrian is also called as Indo-Greek kingdom. Okay, please remember. Then these Bactrians invaded and occupied Afghanistan and Punjab provinces of Pakistan. Okay, please remember. Then these Bactrians from Takshila, they sent two of their commanders, that is Apollodotus and Menander. Very very important. Please remember. Okay, for further conquest of territories. Okay, this Apollodotus annexed Sindh provinces and he reached up to Ujjain in MP in Madhya Pradesh. Okay, then this Menander reached up to Mathura in Uttar Pradesh. Then he was trying to reach or capture Pataliputra. At that time, the ruler of Sunga Dynasty, that is Vasumitra, sent his army to stop him. Okay, then let's quickly know about Menander in a broader manner. Menander is also called as King Meninda. Very very important. Please remember, King Meninda means that his name is also called as Menander and Melinda. Okay, very very important. This King Melinda was the famous ruler in Indo-Greek kingdom. Okay, it is also called Bactrians. Okay, his capital was Sialkot in Pakistan. He showed he showed interest towards Buddhism and also embraced Buddhism. Please remember. Okay, here I have written very very important line, guys. Please remember it. It is very very important. In UPSC, this kind of questions will asked. Usually it asks. Okay, during that Post-Mauryan period, most of the foreign kingdoms embraced, most of the foreign kingdoms means Greeks, Sakas, and Kusanas embraced Buddhism instead of Hinduism, because the reason for that is Buddhism provided easier access to Indian society. Very very important. Please remember. Okay, then let's quickly continue about King Melinda itself. King Melinda dialogue with King Monk Nagasena. Very very important. Nagasena is very very important. Please remember. The King Meninda dialogue with Buddhist monk Nagasena was compiled in Pali language. It is called as Melinda Pano. Very very important. Please remember. Then King Melinda's ambassador Heliodorus. Very very important. King Melinda's ambassador Heliodorus became Vaishnavite. He became devotee of Vishnu and erected Garuda pillar at Besnagar. Besnagar is an ancient name of present day Vidisha district in Madhya Pradesh. Kindly remember. Okay. Then let's quickly know about second foreign kingdom, that is Sakas. Sakas were captured Bactrians from Greek rulers. Then they extended up to northwest India. Then later they divided into two parts, that is northern satraps. Northern satraps, they were controlling from ruling from Takshila. Then western satraps ruling from Maharashtra. Okay. Then the founder of Sakas in India was Moyes. Very very important. Just remember the name. Okay. Then let's quickly know about the third foreign ruler, that is Kusanas. Okay. They were Kushanas were from Central Asia. They belongs to Yuchi tribes group. Okay, kindly remember. They also attacked Bactrians and Sakas. Okay, they gradually moved towards Kabul Valley and extended up to Gandhara region in Pakistan. Okay, then let's quickly know about founder of Kushanas, that is Kuchala Kadphises. Kuchala Kadphises captured Kabul Valley and issued coins in his name. Okay, his son Vima Kadphises captured the which means his son Vima Kadphises extended further and captured northwestern India up to Mathura in Uttar Pradesh. Okay, then Vima Kadphises issued gold coins with a title like Lord of the Whole World. Okay, he was a devotee of Lord Shiva. Okay, then let's quickly know about the famous ruler of Kushanas, that is King Kanishka. He is very very important. Okay, King Kanishka was a great ruler of Kushanas. Okay, his territories includes Afghanistan, from Afghanistan to Pataliputra. That includes Afghanistan, Gandhara region, Sindh, Punjab provinces, then Kashmir, Bodh Gaya, then up to Pataliputra. Okay, then he also issued coins during that period. So his coins were found in Mathura, Shravasti, Kausambi, and Banaras. All cities are in Uttar Pradesh. Can you remember? Okay, then his kingdom was extended from Gandhara region in west to Banaras in east. Okay, and also from Kashmir in north to Malwa region in south. Just remember it, very very important. Then his capital was Purushapura. It is also known as Peshawar. Present day. Present day it is in Pakistan. Can you remember? Then Kanishka showed interest towards Buddhism and started embrace Buddhism. Can you remember? Okay. Let's quickly know about Kanishka and Buddhism. Kanishka followed Mahayana Buddhism. Very very important. Please remember that Kanishka, which means used on his coin, we found Buddha, Greek, and Hindu gods. Okay, he issued coins also. On the coins, we found Buddha, Greek, and Hindu gods. Okay, he built chaityas and viharas. Okay, he was organized fourth Buddhist council in Kashmir. Very very important. Then during this period, a great philosopher called Ashwagosha. Okay, Ashwagosha was the famous great philosopher during this Kanishka period. Okay, he was an author of Buddha Charita. Okay, please remember, very very important. Let's quickly know about arts during Post-Mauryan period. This is very very important, guys. Please, it will be asked in prelims and mains also. It is very very important question. Usually in mains, UPSC may ask like distinguish the features of Gandhara, Mathura, and Amaravati School of Arts. It is very very important. Okay, during that period, three school of arts exist. That is Gandhara art, Mathura art, Amaravati art. Very very important. Okay. I have made a table here for clear understanding. So let's understand it. In first column, I made Gandhara School of Art. Second one is Mathura School of Art. Third one is Amaravati School of Art. Okay. Let's know about rulers or kingdom during different school of art. In Gandhara School of Art, Sakas and Kushanas were ruling. Then in Mathura School of Art, Kushanas. In Amaravati School of Art, Satavahanas. Okay. Then second one is how the Buddha's idols looks like. Okay, during Gandhara School of Art, the main theme of Buddha idol was Mahayanism. Okay, then idols resemble like it resembles like Greek and Roman god, that is Apollo. Apollo is the Greek and Roman god. Okay, in this idol contains curly and long hair, thick drapery, and muzzle body. Okay, please remember. Okay, then this idol of in Mathura school of art, idol shows spiritual feelings on face. Okay, please remember. Then Buddha idol, this Buddha idol was surrounded by Bodhisattva idol, that is Vajrapani and Padmapani. This is very very important. Bodhisattva concept I already explained in Buddhism chapter, which means Vajrapani means thunderbolt, and Padmapani means that Buddha idol is holding lotus flower. That's very very important. Okay, then in case of Amaravati school of art, that idols are in Tribhanga posture, very very important, please remember. Then let's quickly know about materials used in different school of art. In case of Gandhara school of art, bluish gray sandstones, and later they used mud as a material. Okay, in case of Mathura school of art, they used red sandstone, very very important. In case of Amaravati school of art, they used white marbles, very very important guys, please remember. Then let's quickly know about religious influence on idols. That Gandhara school of art is purely Buddhism. Okay, this Mathura school of art is influenced by Hinduism, Buddhism, and Jainism, very very important. Okay, in case of Mathura school of art, apart from Buddha idol, they also carved out idol of Shiva, Vishnu, Parvati, and Lakshmi, and also they carved out beautiful female idols, that is Yakshinis and Apsaras. Kindly remember, very very important. This Amaravati school of art is also purely Buddhism. Both this Gandhara and Amaravati are purely Buddhism. Okay, they were not influenced by any religions. Okay, very very important. Then let's quickly jump to the last concept, that is decline of Kusanas. Kusanas ruled around 150 years after Kanishka. After King Kanishka, they ruled another 150 years. Okay, the last ruler of Kanishka was Vasudeva. Okay, he was a devotee of Shiva. Okay, then later that after Kushana kingdom declined, the Gupta empire occupied the entire northwest and central India. Okay, then this we will discuss in the upcoming video, that is